Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to make chicken biryani, dum biryani. Chicken dum biryani. We'll see what are the ingredients need for that. 1 kilo of chicken, 1 kilo of rice, 250 grams of tomato and onion cut and take, and here have chopped garlic, ginger, little few cloves and 4-5 cloves and cinnamon. And if you have, you add 2 cardamom also, 2-3 pieces of round tape and curry leaves. Here green chili also I cut and put. Here have curd 250 ml. Butter oil we are taking 125 grams. Another little for temper we need coconut oil. These are the spices we are using: coriander powder, chili powder, turmeric, pepper, cumin powder, salt, 250 grams of potato. That much only we need for this. First of all, we must marinate the chicken, adding the curd and the spices. First we add the curd, 250 ml of curd. We'll add chili for the, if you need too much hot, you add 4 tablespoons. Otherwise, if you don't need too much spicy, you add 3-4 teaspoons of chili powder. Coriander powder 4 to 6 teaspoons. Add half a teaspoon of yellow powder. Add 1.5 teaspoon of pepper. This is cumin powder. We need 5 or 6 teaspoon of cumin powder. 4 teaspoon of salt powder. And mix it well. If you need, you can add little tamarind juice also for the taste. Mix like this well and keep it 1 hour for marinate. Keep in the fridge for 1 hour to marinate. Marinate this. Marinate the chicken for 1 hour. Keep in the fridge. We have I marinated chicken. Now we'll temper them. Yeah, I put 1 tablespoon of ghee and adding oil also. 2 tablespoon of oil, 1.5 tablespoon of ghee. Now add the onions. Fry this for until little brown. Now this is enough. Now we are adding all the other ingredients like ginger garlic and cloves, curry leaves, green leaves and crunchy. When this one little brown, we are adding the tomato also. Cook this for 5 minutes like this. We are adding 1 teaspoon of chili for oil and the chicken curry color will become ready. Now we are adding the chicken also. Cook this chicken and add this potato and add the potato and cook this chicken for 20 to half an hour. Add little water for this, otherwise it will be getting roasted. Add little water and mix it well. And cook this in slow fire. When you are cooking, in 15 minutes you check this whether this one cooked or not. and the other ingredients are if enough or not enough. If you need, you must add some more spices. I think this is very enough for this 1 kilo of chicken biryani, these spices and the salt also. We'll see in 15 minutes whether the situation of this chicken. Here's the curry after the 15 minutes. I taste it. We need little salt. I'm adding little salt and little chili also. Now mix it well and keep another 15 minutes. I kept water for the rice 1.2 liter. That 1.2 liter means 1250 ml. 7 cups of water. That means 1.2 liter of water for 1 kilo of rice. We'll add the rice. It's boiling now. I wash and put the rice. Add little yellow color food coloring. This is all we can see, that is enough. And add little ghee also. And 4 teaspoons of salt. If you don't need too much of salt, you can less the amount. For the biryani, I am going to make a vegetable salad. That is cucumber, tomato, onion and little green chili. Add little curd, taste to salt and pepper. If you need, you can add little lime also. Now we'll see how to make that. Add little curd and add these chopped cut tomatoes. And little pepper. And little salt. And mix it well. Add little lime also. This must you make when you are going to ready to eat the biryani. ready the things and mix it when you are eating time. This is the salad I made. From curry leaves I am going to make and show a sambar. That sambar need little curry leaves and green chili, a small piece of ginger, 1 clove of garlic and little onion and little 1 tablespoon of coconut. Add little salt to taste, little pepper and small piece of lime. Add little lime juice also and grind it well. Here's my curry leaf sambar. Curry is okay now. Everything cooked well. If you need, you can keep another 5 minutes and finish. I think this is enough for me. Half an hour enough for cook this chicken. Okay, now we are going to add in with the chicken curry. We are adding the rice to this curry. Now we add the rice to the chicken curry and we are adding little ghee for up of this. And we are adding little green chilies. And spread little fried onions. And keep this in the low flame for 5 minutes. This is my chicken biryani ready for eat. You also make an eat and see. If this one tastes, comment me and share this video.